In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Monday app on Android. If you're looking to stay on top of projects and updates while you're away from your desk, the Monday.com mobile app makes it simple to manage work from your phone. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with a Google account and that you have access to the Google Play Store on your device. You'll also want a reliable internet connection so the download can complete without interruptions. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the app with the multicolored triangle icon. Once you're in the store, tap the search bar at the top. Type Monday.com, all lowercase, and then look through the results. You're looking for the official listing titled Monday.com, Work Management. Tap that result to open the app's page. If you want to be certain you've got the right one, check that the name and icon match what you expect, and that it's from the official developer. Next, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app, and you'll see a progress indicator showing how far along it is. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. It's normal for the Play Store to check the download for security and to ask for any necessary permissions before installation completes. When the download and installation finish, tap Open. The app will launch right away. On the welcome screen, log into your existing Monday.com account. This connects the app to your boards, tasks, and team spaces, so everything you see on desktop is available on your phone. If you're part of a team, use the same work account you normally use. Once you're signed in, the app helps you manage tasks and projects from anywhere. You can quickly view and update items, change statuses, and keep priorities moving forward. It also lets you track team progress at a glance, so you can see what's on track and what might need attention. You'll be able to create boards and workflows to organize work the way your team prefers, and you'll receive notifications and updates right on your device so you never miss a comment, mention, or status change. Best of all, it's designed for working with your team on the go, making collaboration fast and convenient when you're away from your computer. Keep in mind, some advanced features may feel more natural on the desktop version, but the mobile app is excellent for daily task tracking and quick updates. That's it. Open the Play Store, search Monday.com, install, and log in. You're ready to stay organized wherever you are. Thanks for watching.